When you come here, definitely recommend 3 things. First, rent a car so you can like see all these 3 things. Maho Beach, the airplane beach, Orient Beach, you can do jet skiing, parasailing there, and then the Great Bay Beach right here you can see from the cruise ship and go to the Dutch Blonde Beach Bar, get a Dutch pancake.
See all this and more as you explore with us and see why St. Maarten became one of our favorite cruise ports.
Good morning and welcome to St. Maarten. Today, Peter and I are excited to explore this beautiful island. We are going to be in port from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. We are on our 13-day transatlantic cruise on the Viva Norwegian. Definitely subscribe if you are not already. We did our car reservation on a Saturday and today is Tuesday and it said it could take 24 to 48 hours, and with the weekend, we haven't got a confirmation, so we don't know we have a car yet. There is St. Maarten and then St. Maarten. I'm not sure if I'm saying that quite correctly, but it's one island, but half of it is Dutch territory and half of it is French. And so we are excited to try to explore both sides today. That's why we really want to rent a car so we can see most of the island. Just like the glimpses I am getting right now look absolutely incredible. Like, this just looks so beautiful. I cannot wait to get out there.
Welcome to country number.
I don't know. With this other cruise ship already being in port, I'm not sure if they would have gotten all the rental cars. We'll see. All right, stop with the pictures. We gotta go.
Let's go.
Stop it. Since the other one never confirmed, we might quickly check with this Hertz company that's right here, right off the cruise. So we had booked with another company and it was $45 for the day, which is fantastic. But like I said, we reserved it on a Saturday. It's now Tuesday. They never confirmed the reservation. Peter tried to call them right now. They did not pick up. He had said to like have them meet us here. They're not here. So at this point, we could like walk another 10 minutes. And then if not though, we'd have to walk back. At that point, these cars could be gone. And then we have to go all the way to the airport, which is 40 minutes away. So because we didn't plan ahead, we ended up just booking this right here. It's $100 here. All right, we're on our way. First stop is Maho Beach. It is a 40-minute drive. There's a Burger King, Subway. Also saw a Domino's and a KFC already. There's a 9-minute stop. We just got here and look, there's a plane already. Oh my goodness. This beach is incredibly packed. Like, there's a lot of people. In like 3 minutes, we got plane number 2.
Got another one coming in. Oh, it's American Airlines. So at 12:29, there's a flight arriving from Newark, a United Airlines flight.
Oh, that'll be better. That's a 9 minutes.
Be a good one.
Might be a big plane. We are worried, like, are we gonna come here and wait and not see anything? 5 and 30 minutes. So the time of day we were here, which was right around noon, it was great.
To the French side.
French part. Here we are.
Nice.
Nice. So we just left the Dutch side. So many bikers too. I have no idea why, but there have been so many bikers. This is our 3rd group we've passed. It's very hot to be biking. An uphill does not sound like a vacation to me.
I wonder how many of those bicyclists are regretting their decision. Oh, hello.
Oh, and then there comes motorcycles. This is like such a peaceful drive. The roads are, like I said, they're great. Highly recommend renting a car when coming to St. Maarten and St. Maarten because it's easy to get around. We have plenty of time to explore most of the island, both sides, just in one day. All right, we stopped at Marigot Market. We found a spot. We're backing in, so we're holding up traffic, but it's okay because we got a spot. Good job, Peter. Finally, like 5-minute walking from where we need to be. It's funny that even like the sound of the police cars are different. Like they sound European, right? Not the American style of police car. So we heard that, we're like, ah, I feel like we're in Europe. Looks really good. So you choose your toppings, then you get your bread. Boom, sandwich. Nice. All right, Peter, what do we get?
I don't know. Really good food though.
It was 30 euros for all of that. The food was pretty good there, but the
Very
pigeons ruined the environment for me. I would not recommend it.
To me, pigeons are just part of the experience.
No, it pooped on our table, and I saw it poop off of another person's table and went on the floor, and someone's luggage was so close to there.
But just imagine if you were in Paris and eating outside Notre Dame.
Yeah.
There'd be pigeons all over the place.
I know. For me, it ruined the experience. I'm just letting you know. So if you don't like pigeons, I would skip it or just get it to go. Up, port.
Somebody slowly get to the top.
Oh yeah. We asked someone at the tourist booth which is the best beach in the French side, and he said Grand Case, and Peter goes, good, that's what I had marked to going next. So that's where we're going. Lots of roundabouts. But you're used to that.
Yeah, no problem. No problem, man.
Wrong island.
Yep. Okay, that's good.
Found a spot. Yeah.
In 800 meters, at the roundabout, take the 3rd exit.
All right, we are currently halfway through our time before we have to get back on the ship. We've been on land now for 4 hours, and 4 more hours we have to be on the ship. We are at the farthest point pretty much right now, so gonna make our way back pretty soon. This is Orient Beach. Checking out, it's beautiful down here, all the little cute shops and everything. The whole island is, you can get free public parking everywhere. And we wanted to come to this side because we are on the French territory. Some of the beaches are can be topless beaches, but we went to the clothing beach.
Nicer than the other one.
This is way nicer in our opinion than the other one. Granted, we didn't go down to like the touristy part of Grand Case, but just like there's a lot more beach here and everything. Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
Yeah, this has a lot more.
There's jet ski rentals, parasail rentals here. This is great.
I'd say my top 3 recommendations would be, I mean, we haven't even done the beach down by the cruise port, but that one looked really nice.
Yes.
Maho Beach, experience the planes coming and going, and then Orient Beach right here.
Yeah.
Those are the top 3 things. I'd skip everything else.
Yeah.
Spend time at those 3 places.
Yep. Wow. Whole line of Jeeps. Okay. We're just going to a lookout point right now. All right, it's not really what we thought. I would say skip this, but since we're here, we'll check it out. This is beautiful. The water here all around is just gorgeous. Oh my goodness, there's some cacti here. So thankful. The weather we had yesterday when we were exploring the Dominican Republic was great. It did rain while we were still in port, but we were actually already back on the ship. And today's weather is amazing.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
Very, very thankful. If you're trying to take a left-hand turn and no one's like really letting you in, sometimes people just like, you know, make their way in. But because people aren't going super fast, it's not that aggressive.
People have also been very nice. I mean, there was one time somebody was turning in from the road and making a left. It was there right away, and they let us come out.
So definitely easy to rent a car here. So 12 euros of gas, and Peter pumped it first, and then the guy comes out and goes, I'm supposed to pump it. So it's like New Jersey. Oops.
Actually, it wasn't 12 euros. It was 6 something US dollars. It's different on this side. It's Dutch something.
Oh, that's right. We're in Dutch currency. Okay.
All right, you're gonna have to look
we already
when,
switched.
when you're done.
All right, so now we're going to the Carrefour grocery store. We both need water really bad. This little crazy intersection.
All good. I'm made for this.
You are made for this, honey. So
Yeah. It's exciting. It's adrenaline going.
good. Peter's like, give me a roundabout, yo.
You got water, stroopwafels, and a loofah. Now we're gonna go look for an eye mask at the pharmacy.
One of the stroopwafels is for the family that's watching our kids. Thanks.
You can see this is our cart now, right?
I love it. I love to have a little cart.
So fun.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
All right. One other thing I got was a sleeping eye mask because at the hotel in Puerto Rico, I left mine. Ugh. And I am such a baby. I need an eye mask to sleep with because any little light, I'm like, I can't sleep. I have Google Fi. Mine was not working most of the day, but his was. Now his isn't working, but now mine is. So at least one of our phones is working all the times. All right, parking's a little hard to come by down here on Front Street. All right, finally got a spot.
The other cruise ship is still in port too.
All right, so we made it to Great Bay Beach. It is currently 5 p.m. We have until 7 p.m. to make it on the cruise ship. So all I gotta do is explore this area and then return the rental car, which is right at the cruise port. So we did good. We did really good.
This is beautiful, this area.
Lots of amazing shops. So close to the cruise port. This is awesome. Nice public bathrooms.
All right, let's go.
Awesome. I watched a couple other vlogs and people have said that this is good. This is a Dutch pancake. It's apple, cheese, and bacon. Sounds like a weird combo. We'll see how it is.
Massive.
It is massive, yeah. So I'm really glad we just got this to split. The reason I wanted to have this here is when we were in the Netherlands, I really enjoyed a Dutch pancake. So I wanted to have another one here. I gotta take my lactose pill with it. That bite was just pancake, but it was delicious. Now I got some bacon and cheese. Very good. All right, it was the apples I wasn't sure about, so let's see how that is. Good. I would have thought they would have been like cooked.
They're pretty raw.
It's pretty raw,
Gotcha.
but it's actually really good.
Yeah.
Got like a crunch to it. I like it. They're warm, even though they're raw.
Gotcha.
That was awesome. I would say that's a must, but I would say split it because it's huge, and on the cruise ship, you already have so much amazing food. So the Dutch bar had like nobody in it right now. They had said they were very busy earlier today. I was like, how many cruise ships do you have normally? He said, well, we're slowing down. He said, tomorrow we have 4 ships. He said Wednesday is the busy day here currently. Every day there is a ship until June through August. There's no ships through here. I said, so what do you do then? It sounds like they still have this open. It's just not as busy. This chicken right here just crossed the road. Why'd you cross the road, buddy?
Actually, didn't eat too slow.
Yeah, it looks like a storm's coming, so hopefully we can get right back, get on the ship before this starts.
That looks nasty.
Getting around this island has been very easy. English is easy to get around with for sure.
WG Mudcamper Road.
We hit the rain. Everyone's waiting for it to clear. We had to check our ship cards before we could be let in this area. And just like that, the rain has stopped. So that was a really fast rain. It looks like it could come anytime. So a little break for us to get back on the ship. Thanks so much for joining us today. That was absolutely incredible. St. Maarten might be one of our favorite cruise stops Definitely subscribe if you're not already. As we head across the Atlantic, we'll have more videos coming to you and some more stops along the way. All right, see you guys. Bye. 5 days at sea.
So exciting.
You're excited?
Yeah.
I might cry
I'm on a
little
boat
right now. Goodbye, land. I'll see you in 6 days. That's such a scary thought for me. Bye-bye to land.
Here we go.
Bye-bye, land.